appreciate, like you did say previously in October that you saw Russia and Israel as the same, that you were surprised maybe that Israel had remained in competitions if Russia were not. Is that still your view?
Yeah, I'm on record saying that, so I stand by that, but it's not my decision if we play or not against them, or what decision is taken on a higher level. I am the head coach. I need to focus on the football thing, and I hope when we play them, the supporters will support Ireland and support us to do good when we play against them.
You're conscious not to get involved in the political side of this, Heimir?
It's no reason for me to do it, because my opinion is not relevant in this case. So in that sense, I'm the head coach. We focus on football. That's my job. Yeah, it's going to be a tough group. It's going to be a tough group. I didn't realise the record Kosovo had in beforehand. But really impressive from the last, what I counted, 15 games. They've registered 2 losses, 2 draws, and won 11 games. They're in the World Cup playoff. Like us, so really a tough opponent. I know a little bit more about Austria and Ralf Rangnick, the way he likes to play football. So again, a tough opponent, qualified automatically. It was, if I remember right, one of the first European countries to qualify directly to the World Cup finals. So yeah, it's and then it's Israel as well. Have had a good run of games. So football-wise, a tough group. I would say equal in some sense. So you can win them all and you can lose against them all. But a tough League B group for sure.